Hello to our student teachers, hello to our friends, hello to our followers. Today we continue by answering different questions on sound waves. By starting on the first question is asking like this, what are the types of progressive waves? Uh, let's remind you that when you say a wave can be defined as a disturbance that carries energy from one place to another without transferring the matter. Also, the sound waves are the wave like others, but they depends on how they are produced. Let's look on the types of progressive waves. Progressive waves are in terms of transverse waves and longitudinal waves. We know that transverse waves are those waves that are perpendicular, those particles which are vibrating are perpendicular to the direction of wave travel, whereas longitudinal waves, the vibrating particles are parallel to the direction of wave travel. So we can have longitudinal waves, transverse waves, and surface waves as progressive waves. When we say longitudinal transverse waves, the surface wave is a combination of the two waves. Surface waves are those waves where vibrating particles are both parallel and perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. For instance, like in water, the waves on the surface of water is named as surface waves because the vibrating particles on the water are both parallel and perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. The second question, a water wave is a combination of what? Two types of waves. So water waves, by looking on this picture, this wave is moving from one point to another. The vibrating particles at the surface of water is both parallel and perpendicular to the direction of wave travel, means that water wave is a combination of longitudinal and transverse waves. According to the first question, also we can answer the second one. A water waves is a combination of two types of waves which are longitudinal and transverse waves. The third question, how sound waves are produced? Is sound waves created? Is sound waves, how do we create sound wave? How it is produced? We know different instruments that produce sound. Also, there is different voice according to those animals. How those sounds are produced. Truly, all these waves, sound waves, are produced when an object vibrates. What can happen when object vibrates? When object vibrates, it creates a sound. So sound waves is produced when an object vibrates, so it creates a pressure wave that will cause the particles of that matter to vibrate so that the sound is created. For example, like the string of the guitar are struck. When the string of the guitar are struck, it produces sound. So it is very understandable that sound waves are produced when an object vibrates. By vibration of particles, the sound is created. These drums, electric bells, different instruments that produce sound is that those objects are vibrating so that the sound will be produced. The first question, what are the two types of progressive waves? Progressive waves are in terms of longitudinal, transverse, and surface wave. A water wave is a combination of all two types of wave. A water wave is a combination of longitudinal and transverse waves. How sound waves are produced? Sound waves are produced when objects vibrate and so that it creates a pressure wave. Next time we shall discuss on different questions related to the sound waves, by reminding you that you can share, you can comment on our discussions, on our listen, so that you can develop our science, you can develop our habit of finding out information which are very essential to us, which are very interesting to us, so that we create our science, we develop our science, we improve our knowledge. It is very understandable Thank you for watching. We shall meet another time. God be with you. See you next time.